Alright, and now for a nighttime tour of the luxurious and elegant Bombay Beach estates. And the first thing I'm going to tour is Museum number 2. So here's a red neon Save Me sign, as in Save the Salton Sea, which is something me and a lot of people are hoping for. That was at the Bombay Beach Bianye, however you pronounce it, art festival earlier this year. It was out by the water, and they've since relocated it to the roof of this building. And we are at the outside of Museum number 2, and soon you will see why it's called Museum number 2. Yes, those are toilet brushes, suspended from the ceiling by clear nylon fishing line. And yes, this is the building I was in earlier, but somebody wanted to see it after dark, and I kind of wanted to too, since it's all lit up nicely. Museum numero 2. Okay, this is a rear entry and a butt head. Check out this wallpaper. Yeah. Butt head. Butts. I like big butts, and I cannot lie. Thank you for visiting the world's shittiest museum. And here's the other toilet brushes. I want to see if I can get those fans to come on, because obviously this building has power. Guess that's just not working now. Let's see. Have you tried turning it on and off? Oh well. Still looks cool lit up. I figured the brush with the fans would be blowing the brushes around so they'd be swaying in the breeze. But still pretty cool. Here, check out the eau de toilette. Oh, I better be careful. Alright, I'm going to carefully get back out of here without disturbing this. This is pretty cool. Toilet brushes, toilet bowl cleaner. As you can see, obviously it's nicely lit up at night. And he walked on down the hall. Whoa, plungers rule. Oh wow, look at this tub. Want to take a bath? Or that line from Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Wall. That door just goes to the outside. And here's the shittiest room in this mobile home. And this is a big, giant, stuffed turd. Okay, so that is the world's shittiest museum, Museum number 2. Alright, now, I'm not sure what this is called, but this groovy color thing. It's really cool what can be done with LEDs nowadays. This is pretty groovy looking. I think groovy, even though kids nowadays will say sick, I think groovy is more fitting just because of how colorful it is. You have entered the Twilight Zone. Whoa. This is trippy, man. Even got a bench here if you want to sit and meditate in the lights. Even a little tumbleweed. We are in the desert. It's really cool what these artists have done with this place that was once abandoned. And now it's been made artsy. Let's go really quick. You are getting dizzy. Whoa! Alright, now I really am dizzy. So, there's a few lights over here, but I think that's it for the lighted exhibits. I'm going to take a look over here, though, just in case. And I've seen posts of this on Instagram, and kids nowadays don't even know who this is or how to finish that sentence. But obviously it's, and you will live in a van down by the river. I've seen a few posts where they're like, what's that supposed to mean? You're too young to know. Bombay Beach Estates. And whoa, a toilet. This is a board, they call this a boardroom. Here's another outhouse. Isn't it great that nowadays we have indoor plumbing? Especially if you got really bad diarrhea and you live somewhere where the weather isn't so nice. That would suck, having to go to an outhouse. Like say it's snowing out and it's 20 below zero temperature. This is another busted out trailer. Looks like a hurricane went through here, but that's not the case. It's just been, these have been abandoned for a few decades now, and nature and vandals have taken their toll. The boogeyman hasn't jumped out from a dark corner to scare me yet. It's actually pretty safe here, actually. I've been coming here for years. I actually feel a lot safer out here than I would be downtown San Diego at nighttime. Alright, so this one's kind of closed up here this time for the night. Let's see what it says. Currently on exhibits. Extinction. I'm thinking that's a play on the Desert X. Fossils and Minerals Collection by Rudy Full. Okay. Cool. Yeah, lots of bugs. At least they're not biting, though, they're just a little annoying. So we got a bunch of pages from books hung from the ceiling in here. Oh, let me light that up a little better. And we've got a very grand entrance gate, since this is the estates right there, complete with some decapitated palm trees. And that's about it for, well, no wait, there's a little bit more over here, but I've already shown you kind of the best lit up exhibits. Yeah, this just has some lights on the outside, but not lit up inside. So thanks for watching.